Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we have completed with 14 blocks, isn't it, children? So, in the 15th block, we are going to learn the properties of air. So, do you remember, children? We have learned properties of water, where we have learned that water exerts pressure. Yes, all these. Water has buoyant force. Yes, all these we have learned. In the same way, the properties of air we are going to learn. So, what is air? See, air is present all around us, isn't it, children? We can't see, we can't smell, but it is odorless and colorless. That's why we can't see and we cannot smell, but it is all around us. In that way, we can say that this air is a thick layer around the earth. Okay, wherever you go, you have air, isn't it? So, we can say that it is a thick layer of air which is surrounding our earth, isn't it? And also this air helps us to be survival, isn't it, children? It helps us because we need oxygen to survive, and from where we are getting oxygen? From the air itself, isn't it, children? So that is nothing but air is helping us to be survive, to be alive, isn't it, children? Not only that, air also helps us in different ways in our day to day life activities. Okay, so by which we can say that air has some properties which is helping us to do those day to day activities. Okay, let's see what are those properties in this block, children. So in this, our first topic is air has weight. So air also have weight. How we can say this? So to do that, we need to do an experiment. So for that, what we have to do is you have to have two balloons. Okay, one stick and one thread. Okay, and fill the balloon with air. Blow the air into the balloon and tie those two balloons to the stick and hold it. And that thread, try to hold it, tie it here and hold the thread. Okay, and make sure both are at equal distance from this thread. Okay, from this and this should be at equal length, and in both the balloons you have to fill same amount of air. Okay, after filling, after balancing same, then for one balloon try to poke it with a pin. Okay, after poking with the pen, the air completely comes out of the balloon, isn't it, children? When the air comes out of the balloon, the flat balloon goes up, and the balloon with which has air will be going down because it has weight. So it comes down. After air is released, the balloon becomes deflate and that goes up because it does not have any weight. Okay, by this experiment we can say that air has weight. And the stick also tilts. Can you see here? Before it was like this straight, now here it is like this, like slanting. It has been tilted, isn't it, children? Like this. So why? Because here the air is not there, that is no weight, but here we have air here, that's why it is pulling down, it is going down because it is heavy. By this experiment we can say that air has weight. Okay, children. So this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork. Coming to your question answers. How do you know air is around us? So when wind blows, clothes move, flow, isn't it, children? Some small pieces of paper also move, isn't it? Which is very less weight, that also moves, isn't it, children? Tissue papers mainly. Yes. So with this we can say is air is around us. Okay. Now next question. Design an experiment to show air has mass. Mass is nothing but weight, children. Air has weight or air has mass means same. Okay, so what all we have done in the class experiment, taking the two balloons, filling it with air. Yes, all that you have to write it down. Pin it with the Poke it with the pin. Then the inflate balloon, that means the balloon which has more weight, which has air, will be going down. Inflate means which has more. Deflate means the air has come out. Okay, children, don't get confused in between these two words. Okay, the deflate balloon, where the air is not present, will goes up, and the inflate balloon which has air will be moving down, because it is heavy, it has weight. Okay, write the answer and draw the diagram also, children. The diagram should be on the white side of the paper, and the question answers write it in the ruled side. Okay, so write these two answers in your classwork. Please learn it. Learn the diagram also, children, how to draw. Okay, so coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. Volume book 2, page number 30, S1, air has weight. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.